Jaw joints have two independent movements, rotation and translation. In other words, it has 6 degrees of freedom, up and down, front and back, and right to left. Normal movement is free and unrestricted. The jaw is postured down and forward with no rotation during normal breathing. This increased space between the teeth, called freeway space, allows room for the tongue to move forward and out of the airway. When you have obstructive sleep apnea, the anatomy of the airway is smaller. The airway is normally held open by the muscles surrounding the airway. During sleep, the muscles relax and restrict the airway, sometimes closing off the airway completely. The jaw rotates back and open and allows the tongue to collapse into the airway, preventing airflow. This prompts the brain to awaken momentarily and activate the muscles that hold the throat open to restore airflow. This cycle can repeat numerous times, hindering deep sleep. MyTap is a non-custom oral appliance used to stabilize and advance the lower jaw both down and out that opens the airway and prevents snoring and sleep apnea. At night, MyTap advances the lower jaw into a comfortable position that opens the airway and prevents sleep apnea. Using the optional MyTap mouth shield directs airflow through the nose. Without the mouth shield, patients can breathe through their mouth and nose. By sliding the mouth shield over the post, it seals inside the lips and promotes nasal breathing. Recent studies show this method of breathing improves treatment results. The majority of oral appliances use a bilateral jaw thrust mechanism or hinge. The forces on the jaw are both forward and down. With a bilateral mechanism, when a patient opens their mouth, their jaw rotates down and back. This pushes the tongue backwards, collapsing the airway. The trays of bilateral devices connect in the treatment position, with the hardware filling the space between the teeth. This leaves little space for the tongue, making bilateral devices less effective. Additionally, each side needs to be adjusted individually and equally within less than 1 millimeter, or the patient's jaw will be off-center. MyTap has a single-point midline advancement. This means that the device only needs to be adjusted from one point, dramatically reducing the risk of a misaligned jaw and jaw pain. With a MyTap, the hardware design allows for a wider range of vertical and horizontal movement so that the patient can breathe easily. The single adjustment point allows for easier titration with the appliance in the mouth. Patients can also self-adjust to an ideal position. With the trays tethered outside of the mouth in the midline, MyTap prevents rotation of the mandible backwards. It also lets the tongue move up and out of the airway. The Vertex technology improves treatment outcomes by creating space in the mouth vertically and horizontally. This allows the tongue to come up and out of the airway, making it easier to breathe and allowing more freedom for the jaw to move normally. Key benefits of MyTap include same-day treatment, fits in 15 minutes, no lab time required, low cost, remoldable trays, no OSA diagnosis required, FDA cleared for mild to moderate sleep apnea. MyTap works for more patients than traditional oral appliances. Visit tapintosleep.com to learn more.